Aquarius, hi! Welcome to Mystic Queen PH at ito ang inyong astrology reading. Bago tayo magsimula, ipopromote ko lang ang Mystic Queen Power Bracelet. So para sa mga naghahanap ng Evil Eye Bracelets, available na po ang dalawang klase ng Evil Eye Bracelet sa ating shop. So meron tayong Selenite Evil Eye at Obsidian Evil Eye Bracelet. So parehas lang merong protection and cleansing properties. Ang kaibahan nga lang is ang selenite is nagre-recharge rin siya ng mga crystals and semi-precious stones na kasama niya. So pwedeng isuot nyo to alongside with other bracelets and i-recharge din niya yon. Ayan. And marami rin tayong iba pang mga bracelets dito for protection and also for healing, attraction ng money, love, and prosperity. Ayan. So, lahat po yan nasa aking online shop sa Lazada and Shopee. And meron na rin sa TikTok. So, pakicheck nyo na lang po. Lahat ng link ay nasa description. Happy shopping! Meron tayong new moon in Leo ngayong araw na to, August 16, 2023 at 5:38 p.m. Philippine Standard Time. So for manifestation and new moon rituals, pwede nyong gawin yan hanggang bukas ng madaling araw, hanggang 3 a.m. So itong new moon in Leo is about the birth of creativity, expressing and healing your inner child, and boosting your self-confidence and your courage. So ang opportunity rito is how are you going to develop your inner strength? Yung kung paano mo pa mas palalakasin yung loob mo na sumubok ng mga bagong bagay or ma-experience ang ibang activities na maaring matagal mo nang gustong gawin pero nag-aalangan ka lang or maaring may limitations lang sa side mo. So now it's the time for you to explore the fun things in life. And another way or another opportunity for you is to expand your creativity, na maaring marami ka pang hindi na discover sa sarili mo, na may mga talents ka pala, abilities doon. So, hindi mo malalaman hanggat wala kang sinusubukan. So, this is the time for you, an opportunity to get to know yourself more, try new things, explore new things, and discover kung ano pa yung mga hidden talents mo. And the goal here is to avoid drama kasi maaring maka-experience ka ng mga dramatic situations sa relationship, sa friendship, sa trabaho mo, or sa random situation. So mas maganda na umiwas na lang doon para makaiwas rin sa negative energies around that drama. And another goal is to overcome your ego. May mga pagkakataon na merong taong challenge sa ating sarili na minsan natatapakan yung pride natin. But the question is, how confident you are, no, sa sarili mo. Kasi kung confident ka sa sarili mo, it doesn't matter kung ano yung opinion ng ibang tao sa iyo. So ito nga yung sinasabi na choose your battles, na hindi mo kailangang patulan yung iba para lang mapatunayan sa kanila na mas magaling ka sa kanila or meron kang gustong patunayan sa kanila. So ang importante is you know yourself, you believe in yourself, and that's it. That's enough. Okay? So for you, Aquarius, ang new moon in Leo ay nasa inyong 7th house of relationships, partnerships. Pwedeng romantic, pwedeng business-oriented to. So, maaring iba sa inyo, magbe-venture kayo with someone. This can be your loved one, no? Halimbawa, magbe-business kayo ng jowa mo, o, 'di ba? Or ng asawa mo. So, mas okay kung asawa mo na to kasi syempre meron na kayong conjugal property or conjugal yung right ninyo sa business na 'yan. Pero kung sa jowa pa lang, you have to make sure na ano pa rin yun, no? Business pa rin talaga siya. Na para just in case na magkaroon ng aberya in the future, protektado yung karapatan mo bilang business partner. Okay? May mga ganyan kasi na mapasok sa negosyo, hindi naman talaga sila kasal, or tapos walang maayos na kalusulatan, and then in the end, nagkakaproblema. Tapos, naapektuhan yung business na itinayo nila, na sayang lang, no? Kesa sana mas nag-grow pa. So, you have to make sure na everything is in black and white. Okay? And kasi yung Venus is in retrograde right now, so you have to, make sure na maayos, malinis yung kontrata. Just in case na makikipag-venture ka sa isang romantic partner na dapat hiwalay yung romantic connection ninyo sa negosyo. Okay? Tapos meron tong challenging aspect sa Jupiter in Uranus in Taurus in the 4th house, no? So maaring may family member or part of your family na hindi nag-agree sa mga decisions mo sa buhay, especially sa relationship mo with someone or sa pakikipag-business partner mo sa iba. So, pag ganito, of course, nasa sa'yo na yan kung iti-take mo yung kanilang side or not. But there are things na kailangan lang talaga i-communicate ng maayos. Pero kung sa tingin mo hindi nila naiintindihan yung mga decisions mo, then it's all up to you if you want to, cut them off in your life. But at the end of the day, may mga bagay na pwede namang pag-usapan ng maayos. Okay? So, some of you naman, pwedeng hindi to family member. Pwedeng situation sa family ninyo na meron kayong gustong gawin, subukan together ng partner mo, pero may limitations or may challenge sa part ng home life or ng family life ninyo. Halimbawa, meron kayong kailangang alagaan na mga magulang na hindi nyo masyadong maasikaso yung gusto nyong pasuking negosyo moving forward or yung mga gusto nyong gawin together with your partner. So, time management and also mas maganda rin na meron kang maayos na communication or relationship with your siblings kung meron kang siblings. Kasi meron ditong positive aspect sa third house mo, yung North Node and Chiron in Aries. So, third house is about siblings as well. And communication. So, importante lang na, na you are able to convey your message or napapahiwatig mo yung mensahe na gusto mong iparating sa kahit na kanino, especially sa romantic partner mo at sa family mo, lalo na kung nagkakaroon niya ng tension. Kasi may mga ganun hindi maayos yung relationship ng immediate family mo versus your family or your romantic partner. Okay? But I also see na you're going to be focusing more on learning. So, maaring yung iba sa inyo, together with your partner, pwedeng business partner, romantic partner, you will learn something. Meron kayong i-research or pag-aaralan together para mabuo nyo na or maisakatuparan nyo or mas lalo nyo pang mapaunlad kung ano yung nasimulan nyo together. This can be a project, a business, or ano man yung ipinupurso ninyo. And then, meron tong frustration sa inyong mental health for some of you kasi 12th house is about your subconscious. So that's why I always tell you na to communicate para naiiwasan yung miscommunication or misconception or misunderstanding. And also support sa family, support sa relationship mo na you are also willing to listen. Handa ka ring makinig sa sasabihin nila. At ganun din sila sa'yo. So, it's a, ang tawag doon, give and take situation in any relationship. And meron din tong frustrating energy sa second house mo, which is your finances. Lalo na kung kayo ay papasok sa isang business partnership together ng family member mo or romantic partner or even friends na malapit sa'yo. You have to make sure na hindi maapektuhan yung main source of income mo versus doon sa project na gusto mong i-pursue. Dapat stand alone, kumbaga, para hindi maapektuhan yung cash flow mo. Kasi yung iba, kapag nasubukan na magnegosyo, yung trabaho nila nakakalimutan na, nag-absent na, or hindi na nakafocus rin sa trabaho dahil mas kumbaga na-excite sa ginagawa nilang project or business. So, time management is the key. Ayan. So, let's see what else, Aquarius. You have the 3 of Cups. So, merong celebration sa inyo. This is also about networking, connecting with your friends, your community. You also have the 4th house, 4 of Wands, which is about your family. So, I think, kailangan lang mas maging malapit yung kayo sa isa't isa sa family ninyo sa pamamagitan ng pagbabond together, yung pagbabakasyon nyo together, or kahit hindi bakasyon, it's like quality time together with your family and friends. Ayan, you also have the star kasi alam nyo, sila ang makakasama nyo, makakatulong nyo sa pagtupad ng pangarap ninyo. So, importante na meron kayong support na nakukuha from your friends, from your family, from your loved ones para mas maging madali sa inyo na ma-achieve ang tagumpay. Ayan. So, it's your time to shine, New Moon and Leo. You're going to shine kung saan ka man magaling, saan man yung expertise mo. So, yun yung mas i-enhance mo. And of course, yung confidence mo, yan yung magdadala sa'yo sa tagumpay. Ayan. So, that is your reading, Aquarius. Kung nagustuhan nyo to, naka-resonate kayo, mag-comment kayo dyan, like, share, subscribe para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. Thank you so much, Aquarius. See you again.